not fair at all. It's not fair. I mean, Chef, Theresa can overdo sometimes. I mean, which one is she coming to declare fasting in the palace again? Huh.
And time is not running fast at all.
We're still in the morning now. My intestines are at war with my stomach already. I'm just trying to hold it. Keep quiet. Let us at least manage to dive into me.
I don't understand. What's your problem?
I did not call your name before.
But I know you're referring to my friend and I.
I did not mention your name. This one you're attacking me. You know too well. As an hungry man is an angry man.
Again, please don't mind them. Eh? You see this little strength you have in you. Reserve it, Biko. I take God beg you.
You that cannot even talk again. You be acting as if you're not hungry. Rubbish. See this little energy I have. I'm not going to waste it on cheap thoughts and cheap, irrelevant people. You see this fast. We die here.
You die alone.
Rubbish. Hunger will rip out your intestines.
Yours will be the first.
You're already feeling the heat from the people.
Just look at two of them. If I had strength, I'll beat the hell out of both of you.
Oh no, rubbish.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace, in this palace, in this palace.
Baby. What is it?
I have never done this before. Never. I'm freaking hungry. I'm famished. I feel like fainting.
May, you're hungry at 11 a.m.
See, babe, I don't think I can finish this. I don't think I can complete this. Like I said, I have never done it before. Like never, ever, ever.
I understand you're hungry. But I think if you sleep for a while, before you know it's time, we're eating. Try it.
This is not my thing. I just can't. I can't starve. No. I can't. Please.
Baby, you and I know we're doing this for a purpose.
I don't even know why Theresa would hold everyone in this palace on hostage. All in the name of fasting and prayer. And the funniest part of it, that you went ahead to approve it. Why?
But we're doing it though.
You're still insisting. Gosh. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Fine.
Yeah, hello, Tina. Okay, yeah, I'm coming to your place right now, okay? When I get there, we'll talk. We really need to talk. Yeah, I'm on my way. Tina, beg, food day house. I've been hungry they wire me. Hunger they wire me right now. Okay. I'm on my way. Thank you. Nedu, open the gates.
Huh?
And what is that supposed to mean?
All of us, they fast for this family. They come out to go find food outside.
Did I tell you I am not fasting?
You dey fast? You won't go your friend's house, go shop.
That is not the truth.
Now the truth is that they put you outside, they call you. They put you outside this fence. They blow whistle for you when you come. Because once you go now, all those restaurants on the road now, food smell go enter your nose, your branch chop, clean your mouth, come back. And they go tell Lolo say you no want fast.
Lolo! Why are you calling Lolo for God's sake? Why are you like this now?
Don't tell us say you know they fast. All of us they fast for you, you there among the devil waiting for inside this house.
No. Okay, I am just going out to meet my friend, right? Even if the devil tempts me, I promise I won't fall.
Don't worry. Tell your friend, make she come find you for here. Tell your friend to come find you for here. Make she join us for the fast. Lolo!
Okay, fine. Okay? I will stay back.
This I know what you want.
I'll just go in there, sit down and keep quiet. Me, I won't even go.
Go. All of us they pray for you. Go. Only you come on, go outside, go chop. When they pray, God no go answer prayer. We no say Jesus is carry us to the house. Go your friend house, go chop. When your friend come here, else I'll call all for you. I'll be born for on neck.
Things was falling apart.
Yes, I did fast.
Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace. In this palace. In this palace. In this palace. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. What do you see in her that you want to have a taste of her?
Now what you do for there? Huh? Now what you do for there? You want to chop?
No, not at all. Not at all.
You don't know say everybody they fast?
Yes. Breaking up the fast. 6 o'clock, right?
Yes, 6 o'clock.
Oh, that's good. That's very good. That's good. Oh, this is after 4. Wow, interesting. We are trying. We are doing great. I'm loving it.
Me too.
I'm loving it. Do you have Bible? So I can be reading it and be meditating. You know?
That will be for place so we can't read and then.
Oh, praise God. Okay. Sorry. Are you cooking? The aroma is.
Now I knew what they fry on you.
Hey.
Nobody for this house to chop at 6 o'clock.
Hey.
Time never even reach 2 hours more for time to reach. Everybody, all of us will pray. Now so we talk am.
True. They fast. Okay, but let me go and read the time.
Everybody pray, one chop. All of us are to say, we go cover this flesh. Nobody will chop anything. Or do the pot. Wash me, one chop.
Things was falling apart. Falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace. In this palace. In this palace. In this palace. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. What do you see in her that you want to have a taste of her? What do you see in her that made you to wanna have a taste of her? Are you normal at all, Zanimo? Are you well at all, Zanimo? Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace, in this palace, in this palace, in this palace.
Where did you go to?
Don't ask me that. Do not ask me that.
Sorry.
Is that all you're going to say? Is that all you're going to say? Okay. Okay.
Tracy, what is the problem?
I'm hungry. Baby, I'm famished. We need to cut down the time before someone develops ulcer. Because this is not fair. It's not fair.
Can I rest now?
Baby, this is not fair. Baby, I said I'm hungry. Baby, oh, the worm, they are disturbing my stomach. Please, I'm hungry. Baby!
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace.
I am so sorry for the way I've been treating you in this palace. Please forgive me. Please.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, wait. Are you for real?
Of course.
Nidu, you're apologizing to me?
Yes. I just realized that you deserve my attention.
Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. Yes.
I love you so much. And I will do anything for you.
Oh my gosh. Nidu,
Yes.
I can't believe this. Are you for real?
Of course, of course.
You know, I was actually very hungry out here. But I'm filled now with your sweet words.
You know what? I got something for you to eat. Yes, I have something for you to eat.
Are you serious?
I actually got this for
You got this for me?
you. Yes.
You know, we're actually fasting. But I'm so hungry, I'm going to eat this.
What's going on here? Huh? And what do you think you are doing? Are you okay? Give me my food! My friend, who owns this food? Middle?
Hang on, stop. Don't.
Stop what? Middle, get up! Let's leave this place! Give me my food!
Stop!
Middle, tell her to give me my food.
Give me the food. Angorika, give her the food.
I don't even have your time. When I have your time, I will let you know.
Bring my food if you touch this food, eh?
Angorika!
You see this food? I will not give it to you.
My food!
Angorika!
Huh?
Give me my food. Give me my food. Middle, please. Tell her to give me my food now. Give me my food. Give me my food.
Ngozi. Ngozika.
Give me my food.
Ngozi. Ngozika.
Give me my food. Give me my food. Which food? My food.
What food are you talking about?
My food. My food.
Are you eating in your dream?
Oh. So it was a dream.
Of course. So, tell me more about it. What happened?
Nedu came to me professing his love for me. Oh,
Are you serious?
it was so sweet. I mean, it was so magical. He even bought me a pack of rice. Nigerian jollof rice. Ifoma, if you see this rice, hi, with 2 big meats. Hi.
You mean Nedu bought you Nigerian jollof rice in your dream?
Yes. And just when I was about eating it, America just surfaced from nowhere and started dragging the rice with me. That girl! Even in my dream!
This is not a good dream. It's not good at all. You eating in your dream.
At this point, it doesn't matter whether it's good or not, because I'm still hungry as I speak with you. So you would have even allowed me eat in my dream. This simply means America is dragging my man with me. Nedu is my man. America is tying him down from professing his love for me. See, I'm not going to relent. I'm going to do something. I'm going to do something about it. I won't relent.
What's the time?
The fasting continues tomorrow. I have strength for you.
Why did you even wake me up? Why did you wake me up now? Wait, let me dream again.
Who even approved this fasting of a thing?
I'm not even saying anything.
Hey babe, how's it going?
Very bad. Very, very bad.
My eyes are spinning. But we have to do this for the sake of Father.
You people are so deluded. Yes! How can a local illiterate like Chef Theresa subject everyone into stricken hunger exercise and you all accepted it? If I don't participate now, you will say I'm an enemy to the palace, or I don't want Igwe, your father, to live long. Just imagine the hunger. My legs are even shaking.
It's okay, just calm down, huh? It's almost time, we will soon eat.
Look, I won't do the next one. I will not do the next one. Or latest, 11:30 to 12. I am done. Makosa. I can't even go out of the palace.
Why? Why is that?
Because she said I may be tempted by the devil to eat out. Can you imagine?
She has a point there.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. No problem. Let me just reserve my strength.
Okay. I shall be in my room.
Whatever.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace. In this palace. In this palace. In this palace. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. What do you see in her that you want to have a taste of her?
Ma?
Theresa, what kept you so long from opening this door? This fast could be a cigarette though. This fast could serious. May God help us now.
Before Holy Spirit will talk to me, we'll come over from these 3 days now. It will enter 1 week. If God said no, our prayer never reach where it's supposed to reach, it will enter 2 weeks.
No, please. You are not extending this. No, please.
No be God, they talk to us. As I lock myself here while I meditate in the spirit, if God come speak to me, say my pikin, extend this fast, go, who will be to argue?
Okay, that is good. Hey, but how do you cope? Now doing this fast and inside the kitchen.
To pray for you, may you get himself, make you even feel the job.
And you lock yourself in.
I say na me and God. Temptation I no go fall out. I say na me and God. Man must not live by bread alone. Maybe the voice why they hear this morning when I start praying. Say we must to suffer this flesh for us to see results.
Yes.
We go pray. Hey, pray the prayer.
Okay, I was just checking up on you.
Thank you, Lord. God will bless you.
To see that you're okay. You know, locking yourself here, doing fasting and
easy.
You know, easy.
But God will see all of us through our prayer. It will come to pass. I will reduce my speaking in tongue for my medication to God so that you know go insist make we do and pass 1 week. That will help. If we don't pass 1 week,
no.
Why? What is it? Why are you dragging me like this?
Chibuna is back.
It's a lie.
I was with him in his hotel yesterday night, and I think he's coming. It's for him to take the crown.
Huh?
Yes, you want to take over the crown now.
But he is not the...
Michonoga, have you forgotten the age-long agreement we had?
But the Igwe is still alive.
He believes that Igwe will soon join his ancestors. And when that happens, he will ascend the throne.
Really?
Yes.
But how can one man fight 3 united brothers? It will be difficult for him to fight those 3 princes.
Leave that one. Let's see how it goes. But I stand in that agreement. And let me shock you. Igwe Kaka is not aware that my late brother had a son somewhere. He thought by killing his wife that is pregnant for him will change the history.
Amadi, now I understand what you are saying. But I think we should shield Shibuna. I should shield him.
Yes, we will shield him. But let me still tell you one thing again. I'm just giving you all this information, because you are my bosom friend.
I don't know.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yes, let's go. I'll drop you,
After this assignment, I shall return back to London.
Mommy, why is that?
I still maintain my stand on this. And then I'm doing this.
Mom.
I am doing this so that the Lord will have mercy on your sick father, my husband, and on you, my children.
Mom, in other words, you still do not believe that we are royalty?
No, we are not. I will not take what does not belong to me because I am not desperate.
Mom, this palace belongs to us. We're not going anywhere.
Okay, but I will keep saying this. I will keep repeating it so that the gods will bear me witness.
My baby, at least finish your food first, okay? Eat.
Why is Lolo not supporting her family? Is she right? Why did she say that? God, I desperately want to be a queen in this palace. What will I do? I must find out. Yes, I must do something. I've been dating this fool for a long time, just for me to be a queen. Now it looks like my mission will be thwarted. He's not even interested to become the Igwe.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace, in this palace, in this palace.
Delolo, what is she talking about? What does she mean by she will not take what is not hers and that she is not desperate?
Why are you not sleeping?
Why is she against you people? The queen, why is she against you people? I would love to know.
A fake man of God told her years ago that we're not royals.
You people are not royal.
Come on, we're royals. That's why I called him a fake man of God.
Your father is the king of this land. But I know that the gods will not crown someone who is not destined to rule.
Now you see. Now you see we're saying the same thing. This man is a fake man of God. He had us all confused. He tried confusing everybody into believing his fallacy. And since then, my mom has refused to admit that this man is just a hungry man pretending to be a man of God.
How did the man of God came into the palace to say...
Babe, I think we should let this lie. This happened a long time ago, like I said. Let's just let it go. It's not a healthy conversation. Let's just sleep.
Babe, in as much as I'm not eager, not desperate, I hope you will be the king of this land. And I hope I will be your queen.
Yes, you're my queen. Now let's sleep.
Baby, I know why I'm saying it. Babe. I know why I'm saying it.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong.
I know why I'm saying
it. Everything is going wrong. This palace, in this palace, in this palace, in this palace,
So, when you freshen up, I want you to go give him that money.
Alright.
Tell him to come and fix that side. That will do for them. I don't like it. You should fix it. I paid complete now because he was complaining it's because of money. But I paid complete now, so give him the money, please. And don't give him all.
I know your own. I will give you when I come back.
Can you see how incompetent and useless you are? I gave you a simple instruction. Get me some files from the office. But no, you chose to be here with this dainty fool from the bush.
I'm sorry, my princess. Let me go get it now, okay? Please.
Are you stupid?
You slapped me?
I will slap you again. If you don't get your stupid self straight to that car and drive to the office, get me the files I requested. Oh, you intentionally switched off your phone so you will be here, enjoying yourself with us. That's low life.
I'm done. Yes. I'm not going anywhere. Here is your key. Take it.
You dare not.
Take it. I'm done with you.
You dare not.
I said I'm done with you. I am done. I'm tired. I am done with you. Yes, I am done.
Obina, get back here.
Get out. Get out. Go inside. Go inside.
Obina, I said
I am done with you.
Back here.
I will not try it. I am not your slave. I am not your slave. I will not try it. I beg, free me. I'm done. I'm done. Done.
My princess. My princess. Princess. Tell that useless boy to come to the palace as soon as possible. Else, he will not like himself. My princess, please.
I've been a hunter with a different, a special one at that. Our king is waiting for the bushmeat. His hunting skill is not ordinary. He's a professional. What is that thing that is bothering your mind? What is that thing that is troubling your mind?
No, Obina, don't tell me that. Ah, what are you saying? That princess raised her hand on a macho man like you, slap you on your face, and you were standing there doing nothing. Hey, Obina! No. Obina, no. I'm so angry right now.
It's okay. So you don't need to worry yourself, eh? Don't worry yourself. I am not going back to that palace. I will not dare try it.
See,
so
Obina, you better don't think of it. For what now? Going back to where? Going back to that palace. Don't even try it. That girl is too full of herself. I told you I don't like that girl. Nonsense, princess. Tell her come out, let me see. I will see her one day.
Don't worry.
Nonsense.
Let me get the rope so that you go now, okay?
Just go. Ah, Obina. How can you stand there? A small girl of yesterday raised her hand to hit your face and you could not even do anything. Eh? Later you come here and start running around the bush like you are the whole best hunter in the universe.
I've been a hunter with a difference, a special one at that. Our king is waiting for the bushmeat. His hunting skill is not ordinary. He's a professional. What is that thing that is bothering your mind? What is that thing?
What have I done? Obina, I am so sorry. I was just engrossed with jealousy. Please forgive me and take my call, please. Obina, please just take my call. I'm deeply sorry. I don't know what happened.
Jesus.
I called you. Look, Theresa, take this. I want you to give it to Obina. Cover it!
Oh, you don't tell me a secret.
Just go to his house and give it to him directly. Don't give it to any other person but Obina. Okay. Please. Okay. Theresa, this is very important. You have to give it to him. Just him.
No matter, no wala. Obina. The same Obina. What is in for palace? Abi? I see him for prayer this morning.
Theresa. We're all fasting, right?
Everybody must fast.
God,
Yeah.
don't get me more worked up.
No vex.
Go.
If I reach there, if I no see Obinna, I fit give him girlfriend.
Obinna! That's what I said.
No vex. Na question I just
Just give it to him. It's important, Theresa. Please don't play with this.
Abeg, I just want to beg. This is my kitchen. You help me put your eye there. Because all these maidens, I don't trust them. Especially that chief guy with a long neck. I don't trust them at all.
Theresa, I should help you take care of the kitchen.
Yes.
Are you mad?
No, maybe you send me now. Maybe you send me. I will go where you send me.
Get out.
If I don't see anybody.
Get out! I just hope he reads this later. I just hope he reads it.
His hunting skills is not ordinary.
DK said he will be in the palace in no distant time.
Why DK? My family and I have agreed to fast and pray for the will of God to be done in my husband's life.
Fasting and praying.
Yes, and we have already started the exercise.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace. In this palace. In this palace. In this palace. Kita tago pupanya dunia.
For your mind now, no sabi read. You don't say, hey, this our chef, na Malu, come carry your white nose, go give her a letter. You know, say, he say, for slapping you, forgive me. She slap Obinna for waiting now. It was jealousy. I want you to be my man. Hey! I don't want any woman to take you. See who they love person when they love them. Yeah. Yeah, make I go give her one. Yeah. Yeah, you love her.
Mother, we cannot neglect tradition because we are fasting.
That is not what I am saying. You are just confused. You cannot be serving two masters at the same time.
No, Mother, I'm not confused. I believe in anything that works for my father. I mean, anything to bring him back on his feet.
He knows what will make him to be back on his feet. But he has refused to do so. The spirit that tormented this palace years ago will not rest until she finds justice. It is just a matter of time. Heaven bear me witness, I spoke against this.
I think your mother has embraced the white man's religion. That's why she's angry with all of you. What is this concept of fasting, Fawai?
Oh no. My father must bounce back.
Oh, Dike will tell us about it.
Make that happen.
Since you say Akuna is pleading with you to return back to the princess to work with her, then I think you should do it.
What?
Yes, now.
Nah, I don't understand you. I know they understand you. What do they talk? I just say you get my side. Why can't they talk like this one? I beg, free me.
But I'm always on your side now. Reason see, she's not holding grudges. And you also told me that her late father supported you to work in the palace. So return back to the palace and let it go. Forget, everything happened for a reason.
why are you stopping me from entering the palace and taking what is rightfully mine? My late father, before he died, told me everything. Everything. He told me how King Okaka took away the crown from him, betrayed him and his trusted friend, and killed him.
Chibunna, you just have to take it easy. Just take it easy.
My late father asked me to take away the crown from King Okaka and his lineage before he died. And that is why I'm here.
My son, listen and listen very well. You cannot do this when King Okaka is still alive. I personally sneaked you away from the kingdom so that you will not be killed.
No. I can't wait anymore. I can't wait anymore. I need to lay my hands on that crown. Yes. And become the next king of this kingdom. Yes, I need to. I have to. And that is why I am here. You need to understand that. Do you understand that?
I do, my son.
Good.
But get this clear. Igwe Okaka will soon join his ancestors. Then you will emerge and come out and face his sons. We, the elders that know the truth and are pretending that we don't know the truth, will support you. It's a game of time. Please be patient, my son.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
The sun is high.
It seems you did not tell this boy, the old secret.
What are you talking about? What secret are you referring to?
Should I be reminding you? Tell him to slow down. Ignorance is not an excuse when we are talking about death.
Why are you sounding this way? Why?
We all know the secret. Yes. We know the secret.
I am not expecting you to be talking these things you are saying. Don't you know, if Chibunna becomes the next Igwe of this kingdom, we all will benefit from it.
I know that. How are you going to explain to the sons of Okaka that Chibunna is now to rule the land? Igwe Okaka is not moving. It's not talking. And it's been a long time since you came to the palace. And you don't know what is even happening in the palace. My best advice is for you to tell him to forget about the crown.
What did I hear you say now?
You heard me. You heard me loud and clear. Tell him to forget about the crown and go back to where he came from.
The gods forbid. I will not say such a thing to him. Never, I cannot.
Don't say I did not warn you or tell you. I'm going.
Come on, you can go. Then I say, now I am. But you will benefit when it comes to now. I'm not here.
Hey, Akuna. Welcome. Hey, how you doing now? Akuna. Hey, they give me letter make I give Obi. Princess make I give her. I love letter. Write for the love and apology letter. Write for the saying love and way. You can't apologize to her. Be say he slap your boyfriend. Don't be small matter.
But I thought you are on fasting.
Yes, palace dey fasting. But you know, say na me dey anchor the fasting. All the spiritual battle on my shoulder now be. Make I chop something. My spirit go fast for today. You're not even supposed to worry for meat. I just give you big problem now. Think of how to solve that one. Maybe I chop meat.
You fry the meat.
No finish the meat.
Yes, I want to be a queen. I want my man to subdue his elder brother so he can become the next king of this land. I don't understand. How do you mean? Prince Enyinaya. Enyinaya? Okay. Go on.
You like it?
Yes. I love it.
I knew you like it.
Oh, I love it, baby. Thank you so much. You're the best. Thank you. Come here.
Love wanting tea.
Let me leave you with your friend.
Thank you again. I love it. Thank you. You're the best. Thank you. Excuse me. He has refused to see or notice that I don't want him. I just don't know what to do again.
But Ngozi, the necklace is very beautiful on you. Like it's wow.
Are you serious? But I just wish it was my Nedum that gave it to me. I would have appreciated it more.
You and this your Nedu.
Yes, so I wish you can just stop talking about that buffalo that calls herself Anorika Abiwot. Those two.
Please, nobody should spoil my good mood today. I'm in a very good mood.
I can see. Please come here, Joe.
But the necklace is fine.
Is it actually fine on me?
Yeah, it's very fine.
But I can't wear it.
Babe,
Baby, are you in the bathroom? Baby. Babe.
I like this one. This one. Nice. I like what you're putting on here. It's so cute. Ah. Okay, look at this. I like all the colors. Fine. I like the colors.
Let's go and sleep.
If you want to go to?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, just go. I will join you.
You sure?
I'll join you.
Brother.
What's up?
You guys are not sleeping yet.
Yeah, I'm about going to bed.
Did you see my girl? I've been looking everywhere for her.
No, I didn't see her.
Okay. Alright. Good night then. I'll see you guys in the morning.
Good night.
Babe, let's go to bed.
Maybe I will join you soonest. Just go, please.
Alright.
Okay.
No.
Alright, baby. Nothing. I'm looking for your brother.
You're looking for my brother?
Yes.
You and I know that my brother hardly comes into my room.
Oh, okay. Okay. Good night. Hi. She's gone?
Yes, she's gone. Come here.
So, sit down, okay?
Sure. Be good.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace, in this palace, in this palace, in this palace. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. What you see in her that you want to have a taste of her? What do you see in her?
Hey! Where are you coming from?
And what sort of stupid question is that? I've been at the balcony trying to receive fresh breeze.
Balcony. Fresh air. Your man is looking for you.
Which man dey find am? Two of us don swear say Igwe no go make am go die. On top of so what we dey now, so wetin una dey do? See as all this place now, does dey smell place room. Ha!
I'm innocent though.
What are you talking about?
Who dey ask? Me? Make I tell you something. Before when I begin to fornicate with those men, all of us go together. I know how they take smell. I know the smell of their room. I know everything.
Theresa,
Waiting.
what are you saying?
Who dey ask?
I just went to look for my man in his room and he was not there.
You don't use best, go collect. Use best, go collect. Positive. Now what do you want?
Me? You see? Oh, I wanted to see if TV is on. Yes. I can see it is off. I'll be going back to my room.
Come my kitchen.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace. In this palace.
They pass me.
In this
My house
palace. In this palace.
They pass me.
Kita tago pukwanya.
Yeah, I think you can't lie here.
Where are you coming from?
From the balcony.
I came to the balcony but I didn't see you.
I was using the restroom. If you had called me, I would have answered you.
Babe, I called you twice, but you did not answer.
Are you suspecting me or what?
I am not suspecting you, I'm just asking.
Please, I want to sleep. What? What is it? Leave me alone, I want to sleep.
But babe, I need you now. Huh?
Wait, stop first. You need me. Have you forgotten we are fasting? Or are you not fasting?
I'm fasting. You know how this thing works now. I just want to
Just control yourself, okay? When we are done with the fasting, just control yourself.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace. In this palace. In this palace. In this palace.
You don't want to concentrate and fast. Let God answer our prayer. It's okay, I'm not going to be okay. Let me sleep and beg. I don't want it to be fine.
What do you see in her that you want to have a taste of her?
My love, she has apologized. Please, go back to the palace.
Why are you sending me out to the palace? I do not like that princess. I don't like her.
Why?
Because she's too arrogant. Oh yes. She's too arrogant and my spirit do not fit well with her.
I know. I'm just begging you.
You know I cannot say no to you. I cannot say no to you. So if you insist, I will go back.
You see why I love you. You have a good spirit. You know that? Forgiving spirit. I love you for that. Thank you. Can you carry me? Baby, stop now. Hold me. What?
I'll carry you now. I'm tired.
So that was how it all started though. I never knew he was liking you. That even reminds me. What do you think I should get for Nedu on his birthday? You know, it's fast approaching. Aggie? Aggie? Aggie?
Yes, yes. What did you say?
Are you okay?
Yes, yes,
I'm
okay.
Why would she be okay? Best friends in the mud.
Oh! The day I will beat this fool is fast approaching.
Don't mind her.
Nonsense fool. She will only try to have my boyfriend Nedu, but she will never succeed. At all. As I was saying, what do you think I should get for Nedu?
Get him a pant.
Pants?
Yes.
But men don't wear pants.
I don't know. Just get him anything you want. I don't know. Manu,
are you going to the palace?
No.
I
go street. I don't go palace now. I don't come out from market.
Be serious now.
Drop
be serious.
me for house.
Okay, make I drop you now. But I want to bring something for princess.
Just drop me for house now. No, my palace motto now.
No one, I enter and make I drop you.
I
go to call you my man.
My man. Who want to be like man now? It's in a man. Give me money. Give me money. I'm hungry. Ejiba. Please, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, Ejiba. I'm hungry. Give me money. Ejiba. 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 Give me money, Ejiba. Ejiba. Ejiba.
I don't understand. Why she dey say you between? I mean, you between, you no content.
She can't talk to that. No between her, it's surprise.
Wow.
Concerning a mad person.
But you get as she don't look you.
Now you should dey look.
Now you dey look. No, now you dey look you. Now the two of now you can't resemble.
Stop that.
Stop that. I said two of now resemble so you say.
Listen, mad person come here, hype you, call your Juma, you carry 100 naira.
You know, see that 100 naira you go give me back. I know the joke. You go give me that 100 naira back. What they bring this one? You know how much? You know what it be 100 naira. You go give me back.
Carry me reach where they go, make I go cook.
Carry you reach where they go. Now I don't come spend money. You say carry me where they go. You go come down here. You go come down here. No, you go come down here. You go come down here. I don't want rich palace now. I don't want making. No, they send me message now. They say send me message. You come there.
Make I come down.
Problem now. You know, come out. Carry me, put me for trouble now. I better come down. You dey worry me, oh. You dey worry me, oh. You dey worry me, oh. I just like you, Sha. I just like you. Don't they like say you be my sister? I like you, Sha. It's fine.
Agnes,
What is happening? Huh? I don't understand you anymore. And you have been acting cold and apprehensive since.
I'm okay. Maybe I'm fine.
Are you sure? Because this is unlike you. I hope all is well.
Ibe, I'm perfectly fine. I'm okay.
Okay. Have this. This for your upkeep, okay? Are you sure you are perfectly okay?
I said I'm fine. I'm just worried about the Ibe, that's all.
He has been so.
Asno na bazuka zoriazu, azuka zoriazu, akwaka wona agwo. Mara kuna kono iba no dia putra no no puta. Makisi nisi apukwa no nisi urega ki ibe yeji okwu. Na wotra broja mane na brubu zo gotienu. Ala jogere mbo tupo na mne tichekwa na no senu. Oje akuye njikantize na jana aliro kwa nenu. A virgin. A virgin. A virgin is required to sleep with the king as a wife. After which, the next day, the king will regain his health.
Wise one.
Yes.
A virgin. A virgin.
Yes, a virgin. A virgin. That is what the gods demand.
Where do we get a virgin from? Where is Lolo?
Well, she left the palace already. She does not acknowledge this part.
It's okay. Wise one, what do we do?
Any virgin that crosses my path automatically becomes the chosen virgin and a soulmate to the king. The gods one. The gods one. The gods one. No man shall cross the legs of that virgin. No man shall cross the legs of that virgin. If anyone does, the king will immediately
connect with his ancestors. It's a taboo. It's a taboo to even go in with the king's wife. No one here can do it. It's unheard of. It can never happen.
Good. Good. So be it.
My father promised to crown me the next king of this kingdom. Ono also said that to me, that my father wants me to succeed him as the next king. Once my father joined his ancestors, Ono shall wear me the royal bead as a symbol of the crown prince that will succeed my late father. I'll forget about my brothers, Ikem and Uzoma. They shall bow before me, and I shall rule over them as the king of this great kingdom. Well, I am telling you this as my friend. You know I trust you. So get yourself prepared. You shall be my personal advisor. Very well then. All right. I shall be waiting. I cannot wait to be the next king of this kingdom.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace.
Father.
In this palace. In this palace. In this palace.
The girls are wise afterwards.
What do you see in her that you want to have a taste of her? What do you see in her that made you to wanna have a taste of her? Are you normal at all, Zanimo? Are you well at all, Zanimo? Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace. In this palace. In this palace. In this palace. Kita tago bubuanya dunia. Kita tago bubuanya dunia.
No, I I've been longing for this. Yes, I've been wanting you to have me. When no one is around. When everyone is asleep.
So you're crushing on me?
No. I've been longing to be your queen.
What did you just say?
Yes, you heard me right. You know, I saw a dream. I saw it very clear. You'll be the next king of this kingdom. Not your brothers. Like a rumbling thunder, I saw it. And I can feel it. I want to be your queen. I will fight your battles with you. I will fight alongside with you. I will never leave you.
Oh my God.
Yes,
like that.
Mm-hmm.
So swear.
I swear.
Swear that every word you've just spoken, you meant every word of it.
Of course. I swear. I meant everything.
It should be a secret.
Yes, of course.
No one should know we see us.
Nobody.
Cold.
Yes, I did. You are sleeping with Florence.
What? How dare you?
I know.
I have nothing to do with her. She's coming for me, but I bluntly refuse.
Then tell your brother.
I will not jeopardize their relationship.
So, you prefer a cheating girlfriend for your brother? Huh?
We're not meant to be seen.
And so?
I have nothing to do with her. I know what she wants, but I'm not giving it to her.
I've got my eyes on you. Eyes.
Excuse me.
I got my eyes on you.
Falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace.
Babe, how did he go?
A virgin is to be married to my sick father.
What? How?
That's the only way to revive him.
Wait. You mean like a virgin to marry your father?
You heard me. A virgin.
So what are you going to do right now?
The needful, of course. A virgin it will be.
Fool. Maybe he knows he's not the right heir to the throne. That's why he's fighting so hard to keep the old man alive. No wonder he's not desperate to be the king. But not to worry. I have my man right here.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace. In this palace.
That is what DK said. No, but you are wrong. It is from the gods, not DK's word. Yeah.
All right. Let's see who the gods will choose.
DK is on his way going up, according to him. Any maiden that a man has never crossed her leg, if being spotted, that maiden, the maiden automatically will become the solution.
Yeah, let's just hope he sees, because virgins are very hard to find.
All the guests have become widely exposed now. Yes,
that's it. In line with what I have just said.
You could read what if you not.
The only reason I'm going to the farm this much is so that when the festival finally comes, I will stop going to the farm and enjoy the festival.
But I'm tired of this nonsense farm.
Thank the gods.
Blessed day.
Yes. So speaking about the festival, now that the festival is fast approaching, tell me, what are your plans?
What's so interesting about the festival? It's not just to buy a new dress and feed my eyes.
I am going to have fun. Trust me on that.
You are the chosen one.
Me? What for?
Say to your mother that you are now a queen to the king. You will be brought to my shrine for confirmation.
Me? A queen? Me? A queen? Has been born! I am a queen! I am a queen!
What's wrong with you? My friend, stop jumping! Who is deceiving you?
I don't really want to talk about her. I don't want to talk about the princess. I'm really worried. Ever since that mad woman called me a twin, I've not been myself. I've not really been myself. I don't really understand it.
And you're still thinking about that?
Oh yes, because I was never told I'm a twin.
Well, Princess Tochi offered me 10 million naira. Yes, for me to leave you.
For real?
Yes, but I refuse to collect the money. Because I love you. I truly love you.
Why is she doing this? Why is she doing this? Why is she tormenting you and I?
I don't really know, Obi. But believe me, with time goes on, she'll get used to it. She'll leave us alone. Okay? Obi, we only need to be strong. Yes, we have to be strong. Everything will be fine soon.
I promise you I will always be here for you. Okay?
Me too. I'll never leave you.
Ejima, come! Buy something for me! Hey, you don't go stop this thing. Ejima, buy something for me. Buy akara dioko, Ejima! You know say I don't want you. Every day I go dey pass, you go dey disturb me. They call me, I don't know what you they talk. Princess Ejima, stop that thing. Princess Ejima, come. If I handle you now, they go say I don't do well because of say you know well. My friend. Ejima, you think I'm mad? I am not mad, oh. If I'm mad, how do I know your name? Come and suck breast. Come. Ejima, come now. This breast is so sweet. Ejima, princess. You are the one that
I'm not mad. Why did you tell her that I'm mad? I cannot be mad. I am not mad. I am not mad. I am not mad. Everybody knows that I am not mad. I am not mad. I am not mad. I am not mad. Ejima, I am not mad. I don't know. Everybody thinks I'm mad. I am not mad. I am not mad. Oh, I am not mad. I am not mad. Oh, Ejima, Ejima, Princess Ejima, wait, Ejima. You don't know I'm talking to you. You don't know I'm talking to you. Ejima, Ejima, I think I'm mad. Okay, how do I know your name is Ejima? How do I know your name is Ejima? Oh!
She has been confirmed by the gods as the new queen of this kingdom.
Lie. The king must not leave. I am the next king of this land.
Shibuna, I asked you not to come here. Why are you here?
I am done playing the hide and seek game. I am here to take what is rightfully mine.
Who is this person?
My name is Prince Chibuna, your worst nightmare. And I'm here to take what is rightfully mine.
Chibuna, you should have asked me vital questions. You are a prince not even by birth nor by merit.
Lie! You lie. Each and every one of you lie. The king of Kaka killed my father and my mother. And because of that, I am here to reclaim it. And none of you can stop me, not even you. You or anyone here can stop me. What nonsense are you talking about?
How dare you challenge the gods? Mere mortal. You killed him. He would have survived it if truly he is a prince.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace. In this palace. In this palace. In this palace.
Ifoma. Izuna. Wait. My eyes paining me. How long has this been going on between you two?
Izu what? Izu what? Since you started sleeping with Chinedu, with professing love to him, even wishing he gives you all the things I've been giving to you. Izu.
Ifoma! Oh my goodness.
Yes? Was it what is it? You don't love him. And I do love him. I love him so much. I had to prove to him that you don't love him. Well, if it pleases you, we both saw you as you were kissing and making out with Chinedu.
Did I just hear something? Who is making out with my Chinedu?
My best friend Ngozi, of course. She is pregnant for your man.
What?
Yes.
She is pregnant for him. And Chinedu has been pleading and begging for her to get rid of the pregnancy.
Ah! No. No, this is not possible. You are joking, right?
No, I'm not.
You? Ngozi? No! See, you don't have that. You don't have that right. You don't have that right.
I'm pregnant.
How? For what?
For what we did.
But Ibe has been there as your friend. He's been sleeping with you.
Ibe has not touched me for some time now. You've been the one sleeping with me.
You see, you caused it. You caused it. Have you seen?
I caused what? When you saw my body, why did you not resist me?
I came to your door and I knocked. You said I should come in. How will I have known that you're naked?
But when you saw me, why did you not run out? But you stayed.
What are you trying to say? Just go to eBay. Let all this thing stop. Just tell Ibe that you're pregnant for him, please.
Yeah, I'm pregnant too. I don't know what you're talking about.
Then find a way to just take it off.
Take what off?
Agnes. You'll be sleeping with my boyfriend. And you even got pregnant for him. Nedu, Ngozi is also pregnant for you. Congratulations. Congrats. I have seen it all.
I'm sorry, please. Be fast with the water. I'm worried. Please. I'm worried.
Nothing is hidden under the sun.
You mean say the madman told you all that?
I see you hear the call queen, the call princess join the matter. You self, I think that you be the Jima when they talk. Because if they look you as they talk.
Now the issue we come there if you say na me, I dey suspect say na me they talk about.
Because if they look you as they talk, so me I think say that you be the Jima. But you tell me say your man, your father don't die.
Yes, now they are late.
Me and you are the same. Me and you will be orphans. Oh.
I'm on Tuesday, okay. This is serious.
They come palace. They say the girl is virgin.
Eh?
They say if he go sleep with the girl, he will go do okay.
Eh?
What is that thing?
Now you might come here say, you get one man who enter here, come they claim saying the prince. Now him DK come kill him.
No be DK kill him. Now he kill himself. Now he legal death, but how you go enter? Come to say, now you be next of king. Now you be next of king. Make them leave it go, make it go die and die you. So that he go inherit the palace. No be in the test and smell. He die. Now illegal death, but he trespass.
Omo, things they happen.
Things they occur.
Hey. Ha.
Things they happen for this palace.
Things they occur. Serious issues. Huh?
I still can't believe this. My heart is broken. But yours is more painful.
I'm very sorry. Very sorry for what I did to you. I know I've not been a good friend. Ibe, I know I broke your trust. Please.
When you were pregnant for another man, Agnes, you did this to me. Me.
Agnes, I forgive you. You know, we are friends. Best of friends. I cannot hold grudges against you. I can't. But we can never be the way we were before. It's not possible. But I forgive you. Yeah. I forgive you.
Honoka, see you later.
Thank you. Thank you for checking up on me. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. I'm begging you. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh no, it has come to my notice that your daughter is pregnant. This fool here impregnated us 2 idiots.
What a shame. I'm ashamed to be ascribed as your father.
I not tell you. I say you buy Pampers, you buy baby milk, your chairs go begin to pay you. Maybe you. Every corner you did there.
Theresa.
My prince. I say may I give you the updates so that you go begin the double in your hustle.
Chinedu. Agnes.
My prince.
Ngozi.
My prince.
I am disappointed in you. Henceforth, your contract at this palace has been terminated. You have 5 minutes to pack your things and leave. Else you have yourselves to blame.
My prince, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Why not they beg? Now you go get belle where you want born for palace. You're picking a prince.
Ngozi, just make sure you follow him. Follow him anywhere he goes. Is that clear? And I don't want to set my eyes on you again in my house, else I cut your 2 legs off.
Father, please, I'm so sorry, please.
Shameless.
Leave now.
Leave now!
Father, please, sorry.
I have something to say. Let me bear my heavy heart.
Go on, brother.
I want this dirty pig, Florence, out of my life and out of this palace with immediate effect.
But what did I do? You must be joking, right?
You were not joking when you were busy sleeping with my brother Inaya.
What? How can you even say that?
I don't bust.
Aina, is that true?
No, it's not true. You can't believe it.
Shut up! Aina.
It's the truth.
Everywhere don't boss, breast don't open, milk don't full ground. Burna boy, you know like everybody go chop breakfast.
She thought I'm going to be the next king. All because I was close to father.
Listen, everyone. Yes, I slept with him. Oh, he's going to be the next Igwe of this land, and that is what he is. He knows about it. The seer said it all. He is just pretending.
You are such a big fool, and your desperation knows no bound.
You are the worst thing I've ever set my eyes on. You're so shameless. Look at you. No more words from you. Go upstairs right now. Pack your filthy things and leave my father's palace at once.
If you touch
Get
me,
out!
dirty pig.
Fool! Baby, please.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace, in this palace, in this palace, in this palace. Kita tago bukunya dunia, kita tago bukunya dunia, What do you see in her that you want to have a taste of her? What do you see in her? Are you normal at all, Zanimo? Are you well at all, Zanimo? Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace, in this palace, in this palace.
Father.
Oh, son.
How is your new wife?
Oh, she's awesome.
It's telling on you.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You're shining.
I see. As you can see. That's good. Well, how is the company doing?
Oh. We're striving. And we're taking care of it. I promise you, everything is going off smoothly.
I trust you. I trust you, as usual. That's okay.
But I came in to check up on you and know how you're faring.
Fine, as you can see. Please, when you go call there's something very important I want to discuss with you.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
I'll go now.
Oh,
all right. my father wants to give my birthright to Naya. After all my effort, I think Theresa is right. I have to act, and I have to act fast. You need to act fast again.
A virgin! A virgin! A virgin is required to sleep with the king as a wife. After which, the next day, the king will regain his health.
Wise one.
Yes.
A virgin. A virgin.
Yes, a virgin. A virgin! That is what the gods demand.
Where do we get a virgin from? Where is Lolo?
Well, she left the palace already. She does not acknowledge this part.
It's okay. Wise one, what do we do?
Any virgin that crosses my path automatically becomes the chosen virgin and a soulmate to the king. The gods won. The gods won. The gods won. No man shall cross the legs of that virgin. No man shall cross the legs of that virgin. If anyone does, the king will immediately connect with his ancestors.
It's a taboo. It's a taboo to even go in with the king's wife. No one here can do it. It's unheard of. It can never happen.
Good. Good. So be it.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace, in this palace, in this palace, in this palace. Kita tago bukunya dunia, kita tago bukunya dunia, What do you see in her that you want to have a taste of her? What do you see in her that made you to wanna have a taste of her? Are you normal?
Father has to go. Father has to go. In Naya. You think I know forgiveness? I will face you squarely for sleeping with my woman. I know no forgiveness. I will not be alive and watch you rule over me. Never. Uzoma, it's time to act. It is time to act.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace, in this palace, in this palace. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. Kita tago bukwanya dunia.
Omo, this life no just balance. Imagine my friend, my own best friend, just because she was chosen. Now she no longer pick my call, just like that. Hey! Anyway, Adibina was a virgin. I am very, very sure I'll be chosen. What does she even have that I don't have? Like how? Look at the breast, like everything. But anyway, no problem. You no get where I touch. We'll still try again.
Congratulations, Okaka.
Thank you.
This may be the last time that I will come to this palace. I am happy that you are back on your feet.
Mom, stay. We need you.
Enough! Whoever that needs me will stick with me. I can see evil looming around in this palace already.
There's no evil in this palace. I will succeed my father.
Zarachi, I am glad you know I am a fearless king. I will never fall into the bulge. Never.
Okay. I am leaving. Enjoy your new wife.
Mother.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden.
Who they play there?
I have to go now, please. Okay? Why are you doing this?
Because I love you. I love you, can't you see? Obi, please. Look, all I'm asking is for a night with you. That's all.
No.
Obi, please. Please, I beg you.
You're keeping me hostage. I don't like this. I want
I'm
to
sorry.
go.
I just want you to be with me tonight.
Please.
Please. Obi, listen. I will make it. Shh. Who is there?
Nami, Theresa. Chef.
Theresa, please just go. I'm busy.
I don't fit that one. What? Obi. You never go out?
He's about leaving.
He go to find our new Lolo. She don't lose.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Lolo, the new one, don't lose. Lost how? Now I come with you for we find out. You say I know how, I know for coming to you. Make me to believe such fallacy? How?
You can ask the elders if you want.
Wait. Hold on. Are you telling me that you laid with her just to kill your father? That you have been striving so hard all this while to keep alive? Is that what you're telling me?
Theresa. Please sit.
No, I'm not sitting down.
Please, sit down. Listen, Tracy. My father's drawn the line. He wants the throne, the crown, to be given to Enaya, my younger brother. He doesn't acknowledge my effort. Tracy, you know this is my birthright. Come on. Swear.
Swear that you are sleeping with your father's wife, that I saw with my 2 naked eyes on top of this bed. That you are sleeping with her because you want to kill your father. Swear it.
That is it. It's the truth and nothing but the truth. Ask DK. He explained it to us explicitly.
I should ask DK.
Don't you want to be the queen?
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace. Everything is going wrong in this palace. In this palace. In this palace. In this palace. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. Kita tago bukwanya dunia. What do you see in her that you want to have a taste of her?
Thank you. Here we go.
Babe, what are we doing here?
I got a little surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yeah, this is it. This is yours and it's on your name.
What was it?
This land is yours. And it's on your name.
This land? Wow! Why is it my name?
Yes, because this is actually a secret between you and I. And I don't want to have problems with my brother, so it's better it's on your name. Trust me.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, this is so big. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Oh my god. It's so massive.
DK is missing. Okay, DK is not missing. Your friend, the Chiamadi, arrested him.
That is not possible.
The police picked him up from his shrine with all his charms, gods and goddesses. They still took him to their police station.
By the way, Nashi no ku na bofia Abroma Kagam. DK cannot be arrested.
In fact, Your Majesty, we have to make our findings. Seriously.
Yes. How can a servant of the gods be arrested? Mbadiwe, Jiri Awayo, Konferaro, Zurogini.
Once a servant of the gods, that is all I know.
I am saying what I saw with my 2 eyes. You go to a station now, you see.
So massive! Baby, you are the...
Are you sleeping with my brother?
Inyanya, where are you? Inyanya, where are you? I need to see you. I need to see you. See, Inyanya, I'm pregnant. No, it's not for him, it's for you. You're the one responsible. I need to see you right away. Please, where are you? Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming right away. I'm coming.
So she's pregnant for that fool.
Baby, please. I can explain. It's not what you think. I swear, it's not what you think. It was a mistake. I made a mistake. Please forgive me. It was not intentional. Please, my love. Please, I beg of you. Don't point that at me. Please, I beg of you, please.
Forgiveness is of the Lord. I am not your Lord.
Please.
I'll see you again.
Please, baby, please. Who is this guy?
In this palace, in this palace, in this palace, in this palace, kita kagak bukannya dunia, kita kagak bukannya dunia.
My prince, how are you always doing this?
Because I want my seed inside of you.
Uzo, I'm your father's wife, your stepmother.
My father is impotent. And I want him to die so I can take you as my wife.
Uzo.
What? Father's wife?
Please, wait. Please, I'm sorry.
I cannot behold this abomination. No!
Please.
It's not what you think. Please. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're hurting me! You're hurting me!
Someone's falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong.
Yes, Your Excellency. I'm happy to hear that. Yes, Your Excellency, I would like to make a suggestion. Yes, I want this year's end of the year incentive to come in form of automobiles. Yes. My kind suggestion. The people will like it because they're already saying that you're working. The infrastructures are there to show. Yes. The workers are receiving their salaries as when due. Thank you. Oh, where have you been?
I want to drop Tracy off at the spot.
Oh, Tracy. There is a check I want to sign, so you go to the bank and cash them.
Father.
You are inside? I didn't know that you are indoors. Oh, there's this check I wanted to sign so you could go to the bank and cash them. My bank manager's phone is somehow not connecting and I don't know.
Maybe it's network.
So, you're with...
Is she okay?
I don't know.
Things was falling apart, falling apart. Everything is going wrong in this palace.
Do you want me to handle it?
Oh, yes, I would want you to handle that. Where is my check?
In this palace. Kita tago bukunya dunia. Kita tago bukunya dunia. What do you see in her that you want to have a taste of her? What do you see in her?
What is the result of the test?
She's pregnant, Your Highness.
What? Who got you pregnant? You what? Who got you pregnant? Doctor, I know that my sperm count has accumulated. I mean, is it true that I can now impregnate a woman? I can affirm to that with the analysis as a doctor.
According to your last test, Your Highness, there was not any progress. Your sperm is still low.
Who led you? Who amongst my children led you? Where is Doji? Doji! Who amongst my sons did this? Who amongst you led my wife? My life, sir. Who? Where is Doji? Doji! Oh. Father. Where is Doji?
She's house in her room. Just call for her.
Who amongst you led my wife? I am asking three of you. Who among you led my wife, my life servant? I am asking you for the last time. I'm the one.
No, they are not the one. He did.
What?
And he killed Tochi and hid her body inside the wardrobe. She's upstairs now. Tochi.
You did what? You killed. She was sleeping with my brothers. How am I sure I'm responsible for the bastard you carry?
You are responsible. You were with me 3 times during my ovulation.
I am finished. Doctor, this should be supposed to allow me to die first. Before doing this. What is going on here?
Greetings, Your Highness. I have a warrant to arrest you.
A warrant for arrest?
What for? Officer, what is the meaning of this?
For murder, conspiracy, and other related crimes.
I don't know what you are talking about. Let me call the commissioner.
I have a phone, Igwe. Forget about phone and calling the commissioner. Yes. Egwu me ndegharị. Esuwana mako ibo nsugbe. I have exposed everything. Yes. You and I know the truth. That you are not royalty.
We are sick. Are you going to stop it? Officer, don't mind this idiot, this rookie player, this old, haggard-looking rookie player has taken part of his life drinking kai kai. If we give him a shot of kai kai, he's ready to put his life for rent. Dike, if you are drunk again, my palace is not a place to practice your tomfoolery. Why would you bring an officer into the palace to speak absolute badass?
Forget about speaking English. It will help you. You can't job when you do he can't job. Oh yes. I have told them the truth. And of course you know it like I know it. That throne does not belong to you. That throne does not belong to you. Excuse me.
What are you talking about?
Hey, control your temper.
I'm saying the truth. Yes. I also told him how you and I planned and removed Nana, his pregnant wife. That pregnant wife that the gods revealed. The baby in that womb is supposed to be the king of this kingdom.
You said you saw this in your farm?
Yes, brother. Actually, it was my wife here that saw it and picked it up.
Yes, I saw it when I was plucking my corns.
It's alright. You'll allow me to keep it. I'll go to Dick and find out what this means.
It's okay. We should be on our way now.
Okay. Won't you eat? The food is almost done now. Won't you eat?
No,
you don't eat anything.
No, don't worry. Perhaps next time we'll eat something.
Yes, next time we'll eat.
Okay. It's alright. It's okay. Please take care. It's okay.
Okay. It's okay.
Okay, brother.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Hey.
Talk to me.
The gods have blessed my younger brother. This bead means that it's going to be the Igwe of our land.
Eh?
That is what this bead means. He doesn't know what he picked though.
Your younger brother? Rule over you?
Yes.
Mbani. It can't happen. What are we going to do?
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Don't give it to him. Don't. Your younger brother cannot rule over you. And can't rule over me. Mbani.
I'm coming. Wait.
Yeah? These girls, they should be wise. Okay?
What is it, my lord?
You are asking me. I am not happy. I'm not happy. Why is it that my own husband will not listen to me for once? You always do what comes to your mind, and it's not good.
But how?
Why did you show that bead to your brother? I told you not to show that bead to your brother. Now he has collected it. What do you want me to do? Can't you keep it? Can't you keep a little secret to yourself? That bead might mean something special, but you don't. I told you, let me show it to my father instead. He will explain more about the bead than your brother. I don't like the way you do sometimes. I don't like it, honestly.
Don't worry about that. He's my elder brother. He will return the bead. I trust him. He will return the bead, eh? Don't worry about it.
What if he doesn't?
He will do.
What if he doesn't?
I trust him.
What will you do?
I trust him. He's my elder brother.
You cannot trust him. How can? Yeah, why can't you keep little secrets? You are too soft-hearted to your brother. It's not good. Why can't you keep little secrets? Eh? Every little thing you will run to your brother. Every little thing you will run to your brother. Eh? Can't we make things right by ourselves than exposing everything to your brother? Why?
It is because he's my elder brother.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I trust him.
I'm not happy.
So that's why you are not happy.
Yes,
eh?
I'm not happy. I'm not happy
I'm sorry
at all.
about that. Eh? Huh? Just be happy for me. Eh? Be happy for me. Oh?
Don't worry about that. He has taken an oath. Let him be the first Igwe for just a decade. We will work hard and get the money.
But what will I tell my younger brother about the bead?
It's very simple, my dear. Go to the market, buy a bead that is similar to that one. Give it to him. Tell him that DK said it's nothing. You must do this very fast because time is not on our side at all.
It's all right. Thank you so much. Okay. I appreciate it.
Good. Let's not forget. I'll be going to Onitsha first thing tomorrow morning.
It's all right. How is my little son doing with you?
He's fine. Chibuna?
Yes,
he's very fine. He's okay.
He's okay?
Yes, don't worry yourself. He's okay.
It's all right. It's okay. Huh? Yes. I will find time and come to Onitsha and see all of you.
Oh, you're highly welcome. Anytime.
Just tell him I'm missing him.
Oh, yes.
Eh? Please,
yes,
take care of him.
I will do exactly that. Yeah.
It's okay.
Thank
you.
Yes, let's continue.
Please, when you...
Onye ọgụrụ oburu okwu benta dị eme ka benta mleke na abụ agwa ya ezi enu agwatụrụ mbe na ehoji onu ya ehoji. Now that the oath has been taken, no Kaka is gone. Everything is in place. The gods are in control. After a decade of his reign, he will return that bead to you. But, be careful. Be very, very cautious of your utterances, even your thoughts, and of course your footsteps. Everywhere, every time, for the gods are always on alert. Leave my shrine for the moment.
Thank you. Thank you, wise one.
What's happening here?
Hey!
Hey! Hey! Hey! Hey!
What happened?
Hey! Hey! They are no longer alive.
Hey!
They are gone.
Hey!
They are dead.
Wake him up!
Hey! They've killed my brother.
Nine!
Come, let's leave this place.
Leave! We have to find out what happened to them.
The killers may still be around.
Hey!
Let's leave. It's dangerous to be here now. Hey! Hey! They've killed my brother. Let's go. Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Let's go. Hey! They've killed my brother. Oh. Hey! Hey! They've killed my brother. Somebody help! Oh. Hey! They've killed my brother. Hey! Hey! Hey!
They have killed my husband. 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 My husband.
Have it been there? You agree?
Oh boy, leave that.
Chai, it should have been. What happened? Somebody kept the child here in the bush. Somebody gave birth and left the child inside the bush to die. This is ridiculous.
Dad.
No.
I'm going with you to this child.
You're going with the child?
I'm going with the child.
Yeah. Hey.
This child will be a blessing to you.
We don't need to leave it. You can carry it. Hey. Poor child. Child. Poor baby. Child.
I faked the oath because I took bribe myself and don't know. So it wasn't real. Igbo Kaka here sent boys to kill Okena and his wife. Nana and his wife as well. He attempted killing Ichie Amadi, who fled to an unknown place. Ichie Amadi returned later, and Igbo Kaka vowed not to kill him because he himself took money from Ichie Amadi. So he couldn't kill him as a compensation.
Father, you're not saying anything.
Father, you're not talking.
Father, what is he talking about?
I am saying nothing but the truth.
Father, say something.
Say something.
He cannot say anything. He cannot talk, he has nothing to say. But he knows the truth. The gods revealed to me that that pregnant woman delivered a set of twins.
Where are the twins?
The truth is that the gods revealed the twins to me. I was about killing them when you arrived at my shrine.
Who are the twins?
Okay.
I say, who are the twins? I asked the last time. Who are the twins?
I will say, the twins. Now with the twins, I'm on the twins. The delivered twins.
Can you save my time?
Okay, officer.
I say, who are the twins?
The twins are Theresa and Obinna.
What? Theresa?
Theresa the chef.
Obinna the driver?
You're my twin?
You're my brother. I'm your sister. We're twins.
Father! No, this is not true. No.
Your Highness, with due respect, you are under arrest.
You will not say something.
Officers! I saw him shot a lady from my head in the bush. I saw him.
Who's this photocopied little baby? You saw who? You saw me doing what? What are you talking about? Who are you?
I saw you shot a lady, blood sucker.
Are you okay?
Officer, I saw you.
What are you talking about?
Gentleman, who did you shoot?
Officer, a stranger walked into my father's house and accused me. And you are asking me who I killed. Who is this person?
I said, who did you shoot?
I don't know what this boy is saying. Who are you?
I don't have time to waste. You are wasting my time. Who did you shoot?
I said, I don't know what.
I said, who did you shoot?
I didn't mean to kill her. I killed Tracy.
He came.
Officer, arrest them all. Nobody move.
What have I done?
Shut up! Move! Oh yeah? Move! I said move! Move! Move!
What have I done?
I said move! Oh yeah? Move! Follow! Move!
Man desires mostly because man proposes, God disposes. A man's heart is full of evil. What a man desires mostly kills a man. Because man proposes, God disposes.
My people, I greet you all. Behold the new king of whom is the kingdom. My reign will be the best. May the gods bless you all.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Hey!
A hunter with a different, a special one at that. Our king is waiting for the bushmeat. He's hunting. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden under the sun. A hunter with a different, a special one at that. Our king is waiting for the bushmeat. His hunting skill is not ordinary. He's a professional. What is that thing that is bothering your mind? What is that thing that is troubling your mind? one more.